So hey everybody, welcome to the Airstream Chronicles, or whatever we're calling this. My name is Rich Charpentier, and if this is your first time to the channel, thanks for stopping by. So as the title of today's vlog indicates, total failure at doing 7 days straight of vlogging from the Airstream. What can I tell you? It's been really busy this week. I've had a lot of stuff going on. So between multiple meetings with clients, online conference calls, doing some work for a friend of mine who had a problem with their website this week, and just the general craziness of working for yourself, it got away from me. So I totally missed basically a day and a half. I forgot to record anything. So it's a failure. Doing the 7 days is a failure, but I'll try it again at some point in time. But what I'm thinking is, given my work, I'm not going to have you looking on screen all the time with me while I'm doing web work. If you're interested in lots of screen capture time and seeing web design and stuff, you can go over to my udemy.com course and you can learn about WordPress and Xtheme. Most people visiting this channel probably aren't interested in that, so I don't want to torture you with that. So it's been a lot of computer time this week. I'm definitely feeling a little better. Went back to the ophthalmologist. The right eye is finally doing a little better. And one of the last videos you probably saw wasn't looking so good at all. So today I'm down at the studio waiting to meet with Greg. We're going to do a couple of more AZ drone videos to have some in our library ready to go. So we don't record every week all the time. We record as needed. So okay, everybody, I've been parked in the same position for days now. So here I am inside the Airstream again. I've got a phone call to make in 10 minutes to a client, and so I just pulled the microphone over for a sec. It's been an incredibly busy week here. Additional meetings with Bret, reviewing everything for a Kickstarter launch that probably is going to go off on Friday, which is awesome. So, sorry, I was looking at the screen instead of looking at the camera, so my apologies for that. So I'm going to get back on to my next conference call, and then I'll pop this up again and we'll chat a little more. By the way, the audio right now is probably not the greatest. I've got the air conditioner running above me. We're going to be 94 degrees today, and I'm lucky if the air conditioner can keep it like 15 degrees cooler. So if I were to turn the air conditioner off even for a couple of minutes right now, just to have this conversation with you, it would heat up in here real fast and I wouldn't be able to get the temperature back down. And with the computers and stuff, you don't want to run them in super hot environments. So yeah, we've got the air conditioner in the background in our audio.